All right, you're gonna want to pay attention to this one. We're gonna make Crockpot chili cheese tater tot lasagna. And we start with 2 pounds of ground beef and throw on 1 packet of chili seasoning mix. It's gonna be one of the most flavorful recipes I've made on here. And we got chili beans, 1 can, liquid and everything. Don't drain the beans or anything, just throw it in there just like that. Once you got your beans in there, we're also gonna throw in some Rotel. You can do mild, hot, whatever you feel, as well as 1 can of tomato sauce. About 1 3/4 cup in there. Go ahead, once you have all that in there, just stir it around until it's mixed up a little bit. Once you give it a good stir, we're also going to put on top of that 1 block of cream cheese that I've cubed up into 8 cubes. Just spread it over the top of our meat mixture here. Boom. You're going to turn it nice and creamy. Okay, once you have that on there, we're going to start our layering. So I got a 32-ounce bag of tater tots. We're going to put about half the bag on top of this meat cream cheese bottom layer here till it's pretty nice and covered. If you got some cream cheese poking out, that's all right. And then once you have your tots on there, we're going to put about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I suggest shredding some yourself because it just melts better than the bag stuff. But if you don't have time, you want to do the bag stuff, it should work great too. Just my preference here. Once you have your first layer of tots and cheese, we're going to throw in the rest of that 32-ounce bag on top. Just spread it around. Try to get it evenly spread over the top of that cheese. And then we're going to put about another 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese on top of that. And once you have that final layer on top, we're going to go ahead and put our lid on. We're going to let it cook on high for 2 hours. All right, after about 2 hours, dang, you got something like this. All right, let's dig in. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Whoa. Dang. If you are looking for a fun little meal slash snack for like March Madness with the fam, this might be the way to go. Mm. 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 Mm.